This is how attackers bypass logins without knowing the password. This video is made for education purpose only. SQL Injection. An introduction. What is SQL Injection? How SQL Injection works. Practical working demo. What is SQL Injection? SQL Injection is a hacking technique where an attacker tricks a website's database by entering malicious data. This is a sample login portal where admin as a username and password as 1234. Access granted. And this is the SQL command. How SQL command works. Select star from users, where username equals admin and password equals 1234. Select star means give me all information. From users means from the users table. Where means only if this condition is true. So the website is asking the database. Applying SQL injection logic at login page. Access granted. And this is the SQL command. A website checks login details by matching the username and password with one specific row in the users table. But here, instead of entering a normal username, the attacker enters or1 equals 1. When this input is added to the SQL command, the query changes its meaning. The condition 1 equals 1 is always true, so the database no longer checks for a specific user. Because the database only follows logic and does not understand intent, it treats the condition as valid and returns multiple rows from the users table. As a result, the website believes authentication is successful and grants access without a correct password. How the modern website handles this SQL injection. Normal website. Access granted. Secure website. Access denied. The website directly puts user input into the SQL query. Whatever the user types becomes part of the command. The attacker adds or1 equals 1, which is always true. The database gets confused and thinks, this condition is true, allow access. In secure website. The question mark are placeholders. User input is sent separately, not mixed with SQL code. The database treats input as data only, not commands. Even if someone types or1 equals 1, it is treated as plain text. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos on cybersecurity.